The Executive Summary dashboard gives us an overview of the activity within our PaperCut Hive system. Initially, it gives us a 12-month view, but as we can see here, we can use the filter to apply the time period that we want to look at. There is a component for top 20 users, and we can drill from a user through to a user profile page, which shows a summary of this user's activity and recent jobs that have been completed. The user analysis dashboard expands on the data about users, giving us an overview of color and mono pages, as well as jobs by extension that have been printed. The printer analysis dashboard gives us an overview of the printer state. We can filter the dashboard by selecting on a printer make to show the models of that make that are in the printer estate. The active printers trend component shows us how many printers were available at a particular time. Here we're drilling into a particular printer model to see the usage and how it averages across the different locations. The scan analysis dashboard shows us the scan activity within the organisation, also showing us the destination of the scans. Here, if we click into emails as a destination type, we can see how many pages have been scanned over time. By clicking into a particular month, we can see who was doing that scanning and what devices they were using.